Hi everyone, this is Jing from Megres Academy. I am teaching the elementary math contest class right now, and we have many fascinating topics that I want to share with you. So I plan to record a video every day and share with you on YouTube. So today we're going to talk about the age problem. And this is a very typical problem that we see in elementary and middle school math contests. The age problem is basically a type of word problems that ask you to find out one person's age in relation to another's. There are three very simple rules for the age problem. The first rule is the difference between two ages does not change over time. And that is very easy to understand, right? If you are older than your brother, and for example, if you are 3 years older than your brother, then you will always be 3 years older than your brother, and that does not change with time. The second rule, two ages increase at the same rate over time. Let's just say if you are 10 right now, you are 3 years older than your brother. Your brother is 7 years right now. And in 5 years' time, you will be 10 plus 5, 15 years old. But for your brother, his age increases at the same rate. So he will be 7 plus 5 equals 12 years in 5 years' time. Now, the third one is a little bit tricky. The ratio between two ages changes over time. And we are going to give you a simple example for this one. So I am going to have a timeline. So the timeline goes like this. This is present, and this is future. And in the present, your age, let's say your age and your mom's age. In the present, let's say your age is 10 and your mom's age is 30. And in the future, let's say in 10 years. So 10 years passes here between present and future. Your age would be 20 years, and your mom's age would be 40 years. In the present, your mom's age is 3 times yours, right? That's easy to figure out, 3 times, and that is the ratio for now. But in 10 years' time, your mom's age would be 40 and you would be 20, and that ratio has become 2. So the difference between two ages does not change over time. However, the ratio between two ages does change over time. So we're going to look at the first example. Are you ready? Let's scroll down and look at the first example. Okay, first example. The sum of the ages of Lucy and her mom is 53. Lucy's mom was 27 years older than Lucy 8 years ago. How old are they now? So first off the bat, you already know that there is a keyword that we need to look for, right? Older. Anytime we see older or younger, we know that the problem is trying to tell us the age difference. But the problem also said that difference was 8 years ago. But rule number 1 already tell us that the difference does not change over time. So we can just go ahead and cross that out. That piece of information is just there to confuse you. So you're just going to say difference, age difference is 27 years. And what's the other piece of information? The other piece of information is the sum. They also give you the sum of Lucy's mom and Lucy's age. That is 53 years. So the strategy for age problem, a very useful strategy, is always to draw a model. We can always use a model. So what I am going to do is I'm going to first draw Lucy's mom, and I am going to use two boxes, two blocks or boxes to represent her age. And then we're going to draw Lucy's age beneath her mom's age. And we're going to try to, draw a same size box here. So let's pretend, I know I'm a little off, but let's pretend these two boxes are the same size. And if you observe really closely here, and you will find that this box here, this extra box for Lucy's mom, is actually 27 years. That's the difference, because the first two boxes are of the same size, right? So this box here, we can use that to represent the 27 years age difference. And the other piece of information tells us that everything here together is 53 years. So the only thing that we need to figure out is the size of these two equal size boxes, right? So the model becomes really, really easy. We can just do 53 minus 27. That gives us 26. And that's these two little boxes here. That's 26. So 26 divided by 2 equals 13. 13 is Lucy's age right now, right? We figured that out because Lucy's age is represented by this single box. So Lucy is 13 years old right now. And we know that her mom is 27 years older than her. So 27 plus 13, that's 40 years old for Lucy's mom. And this one is for Lucy.